Okay, welcome back. It is day 178, I believe, of coding every single day. Um, Before I get into code, what I did, which wasn't much, today was move out day from my apartment. Um, wow, was that a lot? I started work at 3 a.m. and didn't finish until 3 p.m. Well, like 2 p.m. Uh, but yeah, that was grueling. Cleaning up an entire living room from past people, throwing out couches, cleaning every inch. I like, if it wasn't for my parents to also come over and help, oh my god, that would have literally taken like 2 days straight of just, yeah, it was horrible. But it's all cleaned, so I'm moved out and back home. I'm gonna be here for today, tomorrow, and Wednesday, and then I start my drive down to Texas Thursday. And I had a meeting for my REU program today, um, which went fine. It was kind of sad. I don't know if anyone watching this has seen for like these research programs. A lot of I haven't looked too much into the STEM ones, but I saw a lot of like not biological sciences, but like earth sciences. Their research programs got cut because of the whole Elon going through like the government and cutting stuff, which fair. Um, there probably is a lot of stuff that is consuming money that shouldn't be. And I will say, like, a lot of this research, you know, if we can't afford it, is sure, but to like take it away, like as people got accepted, or like he was talking about like midway through, they could just freeze the accounts and we will not get paid, so we'll just end up going home. So not the best, and I hope that does not happen for my program because that will be quite sad. And I don't know what my summer will look like. I'm sure we'll figure out something, but yeah. So, anyways, as for what I actually did coding wise, pretty much not a lot. Woke up from a nap and just fixed some styling elements on the site. Basically, just removed some stuff I thought wasn't necessary on the homepage and analytics page for now, just to like clean it up. I was actually gonna do Claude. I vibe coded the GitHub integration. It just feels dirty when it does like so much. Like if it does like one function, sure. And this is why it might even, I don't know. It's so weird. When I did cursor, like now I kind of miss like cursor and the fact of like that like control H thing, like you highlight a block, control H, and you like type something and it'll just like focus on that code. It's so nice. And so it'd be really nice to actually have that again. And Claude, I don't know. I mean, it's probably just in the way that I'm prompting. Obviously, it's just in the way that I'm prompting Claude code. Also, I don't know what the saturation is on my like lips and teeth. Uh, I, if it's coming through how I'm seeing this right now, that is crazy. I promise that is not how that looks. But but yeah, sorry. Um, so yeah, I just worked on those two elements, and I'll work on the GitHub stuff on my own because I don't want to vibe code that. So yeah, next few days I'm really gonna try to get far with this app. Because like I said, it would be very cool to have that for my first couple weeks at the program, at the research program. So that is about all I have. I will see you tomorrow for day 179. And yeah, take care. Bye.